Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're well today, and we want to train the Maegeri, Mawashigeri and Zenkutsu in this video. Please practice with me step by step. At first we want to train the Maegeri. The Maegeri have 3 steps for showing. At first my leg come up and my fingers see the floor. I kick this and open it and close with behind my leg. It's see the floor completely. Again I show it. I kick, my fingers see the floor. Exactly I kick this knee and I close. That's my leg see the floor completely. I show it with the strength and speed. Echi and knee. Now I want to show the Maegeri in a Dachi and the techniques of hands. Echi knee. I do Maegeri exactly under the hand with this kick. When I kick my leg in front, my fingers show the front, and exactly I close my leg with see the floor, knee and thumb. Exactly this position, I close my leg. After that, go to next step and do Gyakuzuki. I show this with the speed and strength. Now we want to teach the Mawashigeri step by step, Dachi and with the techniques of hands. For Mawashigeri, exactly as a Maegeri, we have 3 steps. At first, we rotate the other leg and up my leg and rotate it. With a finger I kick, and exactly in that position I close my leg and finish. 1 step, ichi, knee, 2 step, and san, I close. I show you with the speed and strength. Completely close. I show this with the Dachi and hands techniques. Ichi, I rotate the other leg in other side. Ichi, knee, and san Gyakuzuki. Rotate the other side. H, knee, and san. I show this with the speed.